Your $200 mirror is one wobble away from becoming a hole in the wall. Here's how to hang anything heavy on drywall so it never comes down. Step 1. Run a stud finder across the wall where you want to hang your item. Studs sit 16 or 24 inches apart and can support up to 100 pounds directly. If you land on one, just drive a 3-inch screw and you're done. Step 2. No stud where you need it? Skip plastic anchors. They snap under real weight. Grab a toggle bolt or a self-drilling metal anchor rated for at least your item's weight, like a 50-pound toggle for a mirror. Step 3. Drill a pilot hole sized exactly to the anchor's packaging, usually a 1/2 inch for toggle bolts. Fold the wings flat, push the anchor through, and let it spring open on the other side. Step 4. Tighten the bolt until you feel resistance, then back off a 1/2 turn so the toggle sits flush behind the wall. Hang your item, then give it a firm downward tug before you trust it. Pro tip: never trust a single plastic anchor with anything over 10 pounds. That's the #1 reason shelves crash down. What's the heaviest thing you've hung on drywall? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more how-tos. Visit Sikho.ai.